perfect Pleasure to Playful C6 NPP Bimodal Exhaust Switch installation in any C6 Corvette, not just black ones. You'll need a 10mm socket with an extension and a sharp #1 Phillips screwdriver. Simply fold down the passenger side floorboard. You'll see a 10mm bolt just up underneath the dash. Use your extension to remove the 10mm bolt. It's a little snug at first. You'll need a ratchet to loosen it up. After it's loosened, just remove the bolt. This NPP exhaust switch is made by Malware Industries LLC and is sold exclusively by Mid-America Motor Works. Open the NPP switch packaging. You'll see the instructions. Please be sure to read all instructions. Remove the switch. Remove the one screw pre-installed into the switch. And set it aside. Inside the switch housing is a small manila envelope with 3 additional screws. Simply remove the 3 screws from the switch housing and install the previously removed 10mm bolt with fender washer. Finger tighten it a little bit, the wrench back on, screw it into place, and snug it down with your ratchet wrench. Not too tight. Make sure you're not pinching any wires as you install it, and install the 4 screws. Installing those without over tightening. Remember, do not plug in the switch until after it is all installed. This NPP switch is only for the NPP fuse block. Do not use it in any other. Inside the NPP switch is a 10-amp fuse accessible at any auto parts store. After you have the 4 screws installed, you'll need to take the wire and press it up behind the carpeting on the passenger side so it's out of the way, and then push the plug end of the wire behind the amplifier and pull it up, route it around. You'll need to route it behind the fuse block and pull it up through. Once pulled up through, just locate and remove the 10-amp NPP fuse and plug in the wire into the exposed outlet. Put everything back in place. Walk around and start the car up. After you start the vehicle up, you'll notice that it's very easy to access the switch from the driver's side, and just flip it. You'll be able to immediately tell the difference between regular exhaust note and NPP switch exhaust. Simply Google NPP switch and you'll find on the first page that Mid-America Motor Works sells this switch for $50, and we will gladly sell you the switch exclusively made by Malware Industries LLC. Also look for the Malware Industries LLC key fob holder, exclusively made for the C6 keyless remote fob. Also works for other GM products, including Cadillac.